So, good morning. Ito natin siya ilalagay para hindi siya
Ano yun? Ay, hindi na lang po. Hindi mo ko ang ano mo. Tapos ang tarigos. Sila po. Wag, so ilang kaan po. Wait. Wait.
Oh, na. Nangyari sa mga ito, baby.
Giling-giling ng matulong ang taba.
Hi, good morning. Wow, Pardese, USA. Hi, good morning. Good morning po. It's Tuesday morning here in the Philippines. Hello, good morning everybody. Wait lang po. We're making breakfast. It's only 6 o'clock in the morning here in the Philippines, guys. How are you, everybody? How are you? Basa tayo dito. Okay, good morning from USA. Wow, we have a viewer from USA. Thank you so much. Wow, good morning still. Hello po, good morning. Comment down below, guys. Please don't forget to like. Sa school na ima na. Dahil sa dami sa school. Ha? Ano ba lang tayo? Ayan, good morning. Hello. Wow, we have 3 viewers. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much this morning here in the Philippines. Magandang umaga po sa ating mga kababayan dyan. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Guys, maalinsangan guys dito sa Pilipinas. It's El Nino. El Nino dito sa Pilipinas. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Tuwing umaga.
Exercise tayo tuwing gabi. Di ka natulog? Di ka natulog? Nasa ano?
Ayusin mo yung garden sa taas. Iyo, dumambang sa itong mataid ka kung tapat mo lang kung baker's class, itong bakery, ano ba baker's class sa may mercury, may nakapos ang malaman. Mayot ang sa mga. Kasi ito ay, nail ko lang.
Tapos mag-start sila ulit. Hindi dati, 3,000. Dati 3,000 na mag-37 to. Tapos, meron ko nagbibigay na lang. Nagbinawas. Tapos, pag nag-start na naman, pinaso na lang. Buo na ang mundo sa akin. All
Oy, wow! Thank you so much. Wow, wow. Good morning, Maximus. 06, good morning. Said hi, good morning po. Good morning. Maximus 06, good morning. Thank you so much for the like. Wow, good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys, Manong. O yun, ang sa kataid mo. Nag-drive ka. Ay, ako lang. Because, ano pag-aral ko, naman ka doon. Ano mo pag-aral ko, alay, kita ko na tayo. Meron, dikit. Tapos, may ginagin ko na ngimiti. Bitong ka tayo, ba't nagpipigit ka? Lalaki. Ikaw pati English na. English na, di ba? Dali. Diba? Sama na ito paano?
Hello, good morning, good morning! Welcome po sa ating Pilipinas kung mahal na mainit. It's Tuesday morning. Medyo maano guys, maalinsangan guys dito sa Pilipinas. It's kinda hot guys. So magkakain na yung aking anak guys. At may pasok siya ngayon guys. So, siya papasok guys ang aking anak. So mag-ano tayo na. Kain ka na muna. Ayan, good morning. So,
Sa piling mo.
kain na tayo guys. So, kakain na muna ang aking anak para sa kanyang pagpasok dito sa school. Ayan, kakain tayo guys. Kain na siya guys. Oh, yung kanyang ulam. Good morning. Ayan ang kanyang ulam guys. Usog-usog ka doon na para mailing na. Ayan. Para Naamal ako. Okay lang yan. So, kain muna siya, guys. Thank you. Ayun po, sabay kita. Tubig. Pinailin kung may viewers tayo. May minsan na kayo, ano?
Goyat! Goyat. Sa iguan niyo! Ano ba yung magagat-gagat? Gusto ko gatas. Ako din ang plato. Ma? Ako din plato. Ma? Ako din plato.
Good morning po. Good morning, Big Jan. Oh, wow. Good morning. So, let's eat. It's morning here. Tuesday morning guys. Dito sa Pilipinas. Ano po?
Tig ano ko lang ba ganin?
Oh.
Tig blue.
Oh.
Tapos wala napaisda.
Dahil mo yan. Dahil mo yan. Sabihin mo, dahil
In
mo yan.
Jesus' name, in 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 Jesus' name, amen.
Sabihin mo na kayo man yan.
Ma'am, hindi ito lang marirealize na. Gaiman pa lang to. Baka, pag eskwila ko, takot na ako.
Ano po?
Hindi ito lang na-realize na. Gaiman pa lang. Natakot ko yung sa eskwelahan. Pag na,
Ba't mo?
naman yung ang gusto mo na. Naman yung ang gusto mo.
Mainit kaya. Ano ko sa Iltetan? Lumamata namin si Lolo. Wala mang pati ulit sa kanila.
Malong-malong.
Ha?
Malong-malong.
Ayun na, okay na. Ha? Okay na? Okay na? Bilat lang po. Lagi din. Hi! Hello! Good morning! Una. Ano nga ang gawa ng ano? Sabi ako ang sulat pa mainit. Grabe ano? Grabe ang init. Ayun na yung dito. Pagkakaagal na gatas. Yung pagkakaagal na ilang kolas to bigyan mo.
Ay, hindi ko nag-alam mainit na tubig. Hindi ko nag-alam mainit na tubig.
Tubig ko lang. Kasi, pag mainit, parang nagaan ang hangos mo. Paano nag-isip ko kainin ko yan garo? Natakot ka, ano? Amen. Okay, good. Amen. In Jesus' name. Ano nga, nagaling ko pala.
Wala. Hindi ko lang na-realize. Wala ko din-nervous.
Good morning, everyone. So, we're eating for lunch.
Well, hindi ay.
Let's eat breakfast, guys.
Hindi.
It's breakfast na. So, we have 1 million viewers and 2 million likes. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat. Come on, let's eat. It's breakfast sa ating estudyante. Tubig ha? Tubig. more water. Kasi mahirap ano mo So, pag init, init mo na. So, tubig. Drink water. Hello, good morning. Ay,
Ito may bagyo pa lang daaw. Super bagyo.
Di ba pag yan ang ano,
Ano na may bagyong uwan?
pagka,
Share man dito na share man dito. Kaya hindi ka sa share. Hindi mo nga aling.
alat lang po, ayan na. Hello, good morning guys. Kain po tayo. So, kakain kami ni aking anak ng breakfast guys. Kasi, may pasok siya. Yan naman.
Mama, si mama.
Oh,
Ay, kami ka na.
oh. Guys, hello, good morning. Kain po tayo guys. Kain.
Ako. Hindi, mati sa bangko sa pati. Sa bangko siya.
Suka ko ma. May nag-a-approve ba dyan? Ay, tara, note mo dyan ang note.
Pinabaka ni Nishi.
Na?
Manok.
Ay, yun si Nuggets. Ako nga, nag-ati ko sa banggit. Banggit na sila. Ano ko pala sa iyo, manok? Sipit ba ka mo din para?
Ay, sige. Oo,
Naman ako lang ni Robino.
Sige na.
Akong bariya ko yun.
Sige na. Pakita ko na lang. Sige kami babaka ng kapalit niya yun.
Bayo ako laog.
Ukwa.
Sige, salamat.
Ay,
May mababada ka. Hindi lang ka. Ayaw ka. Ayaw ka, tubig. Ha? Ay, nag-iinit ako, maalat lang. Nag-iinit ako, maalat.
naga?
Yo, Nuggets.
Naga di?
Like sa dibdita. Maalat lang, nag-iinit ko, ma. Chicken. Oh, paano? Makakaan? Oh? Ano yan?
Nakakal ko na.
Ano po?
Nakakal ko na sa bahay.
Di mo, si Bayad.
May pa naman aag mo yung kainigan. Bakit?
Si Bayad ma.
Ayo. Wednesday na.
Wednesday ba?
Wednesday.
Tuesday ba ba nga di ako? Tuesday, Wednesday.
Wednesday, Thursday.
Ba naman yan? Ma, parang sorry.
Nakakailan mo na.
No, ili mo kasi sa kanya ko kasi gusto ko bigaan ng magulat mo yun. Alat lang. Good morning, good morning. Wow, we have 3 likes. Good morning. Maangani man naginip pa kita wala ng sabi ko. Ano? Lembo? What? Hello, good morning guys. Let's eat. Mama, dyan na maga ka naman. Ha? Ano? Saka itong sumasip ko. Hi po. That's it.
That's it. That's
Ano po? Ano po?
feeling ako ngayon school.
Hmm?
Feeling ko lang ako.
Hindi talaga ang talaga.
Ay, bakit lang yan? May kumambit na?
Halang ako.
Ay, dyan mo na. Bakit na naman kayo tubig na pagkalit mo?
Tingnan mo eh. That's so cool.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Wow, we have 1 million likes. 3 million likes. And, ano pa na? 4 million likes. Siram na. Masiram po. Masarap. That's it. Good morning. Ano to? Ano yan? Damo? Ano yan? Hindi ko na. Hindi ka na po ko ma. Ma, kamait dyan. Ayaw ko dyan mga ano pa. Ito na mabasa. Good morning, guys. Hello. Kain tayo. Kamu hawak ano mo dyan?
Hi guys, we are eating. No, we are together eating. Oh.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Good morning. Oh, ayan. Diba?
But hindi ko mama.
Kain po tayo, guys.
Sabi ng alas ko, gano'n ko lang na yung mama dyan.
Sisan.
Ikaw, hindi pa lang, day off ma.
Ayo, ma. Kaka na, ma. May ano ka itong...
Thursday pala.
Ang ditong sibo na akong gura noong. Ay, wow. We have 4 likes. Thank you. Dun ba ito?
Thank you.
Balik mo naman lang. Basta mo? Ano yung itong kaligid? Dahil siya. 4 likes na tayo.
Kaya ko nga aso.
Look na. 34 pa
Pero
lang.
kung sa nag-iwas doon sa pwede, sila naman ang pala.
Harap mo na. May vitamins ka?
Ano siya? Vitamins. Ano siya? Vitamin na. Ano ka?
Bak. Mas lang.
Napapalit na?
B, maritala ka mo, B! Napaprint!
Mapaprint ka mo, be? At be?
Sen, maritala ka mo! Sen! Sen! May mapaprint! Eh, naka ano ni ma? Unmute? Naka-mute? Hala!
Okay lang yan.
Nagkulang.
Ano kaya? Hello, good morning.
Ano ko? We have 10 million viewers, guys. Thank you. Sorry. Where's my mic?
Ayan guys, good morning. So, nagpe-prepare po tayo. Papasok ang aking anak sa school at malalate na guys. Sorry. Ayan, thank you guys. Yan na. Hindi mo si Papa binayaan yung toothbrushan, burukas. No. Ano? Sige daw, pagbalat ng gusto ng mama dali na. Dahil mo na yung Good morning, thank you. Ay, wow. Meron tayong 4. 4 na lang, 4. Ano sa iyo? Pixel sa iyo. 4, 4, 4. Ano long? Long sa iyo. Yung picture na. Anong size? Long pa.
Ito na nagsabi.
Sabi ko long.
Tagali yan daw.
Sabi mo may ano to. Ano to mga kasi sabi ano yung short long? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Kinang, 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 kinang. Ay, Ole. Oh, to naman. Iling ka naman dali siya. Perlabot mo. Susunod na ano. Hindi ka na explain. Ha? Sorry. Pag may antay ko, dahil malilit at siya. Dali. Hi! I wanna sing! And I'm Hi! What's two bottle chicken? Two bottle chicken? Chicken? This is ayos sa sinita. Ay, na lunch na. Sa aga pa niya. saro lang na ipapabakal ko. Tapos, kasama ko. Hindi. Nak, dali-dali ka, malinit ka na. Sige na, lagyan tatama na. Ay! Dali na ka dyan. Ano ka, suka? Ano kaya nila? Ano yan? Tayo man masikip sa imo. Ganit. Tayo man. Sure ka? Dahil man niya matutusok, talipin mo lang sa loob. Sige na, sure na yan. At siya na lang natin. Ay, pwede nga likot alam. Yung nga nito, at siya lang nga nito. Kaanong kung subang sarado na sa sampagita na. Napakasakit ang manlong. Kalipulong. Dahil na mag-ibi, dahil na. Ako ka mag-ibi. Ano ka mag-inay? Dahil na mag-ibi, ako ka nag-ibi na. Mas ka ako nag-ibi. Yung ano ka, dahil na. Dahil na mag-ibi, ano? Mga something, small, ano. Grade 6, dahil na mag-ibi. Ay, hindi. Ano po ba? Maintindihan na lang ito. Hindi mo man yun. Bakit iniis ka? Dahil sa iya, parang gusto niya iisan. Para masaya niya. Hindi kaya luluwas ang ano. Yun, ikaw mo na bin. Bakit po siya sa isim? Hindi man yan. Nag-aaral ko kung bukasan. Tama ba ka lang ng hindi po, hindi na. Hindi na ako subang. Subang yung ginawa sa mama mo. Masa, mabakalan daw ako ang ibang mga ano, kaso gusto ko in roller skate. Di ba naman ang pamukha ng ibang kaya, send ko kay tayo. Send ako na taon na ito. Mayo. Ha? Ang ano? Ano? Babakalan ko na lang. Receive, ha? Yung nga, i-receive man. Ang pipipindot mo. Interesting lang ako sa kapos mo. Teka, itong black. Igwaduman na, gusto mo, igwaduman na itong ano, hindi na to sa imod. Dahil man kami nag-formal araw kayo na permit. Black siya, pero ano, tapos, oo, magayon itong, magayon 600 ng black siya. Pwede na itong pa-skill mo na kung mag-iano, malubog ko sa bipis. Na ano? Itong pang-skill lang, pang-skill lang. Ito! Bako man po eh. Nasaan? Dahil itong ganyan. Bako man tong ano? Dahil na si ano na, si Barunan. Si ate. Na, ano yung loob ka ni? Anong loob nito may orange? Yung tangka? Hapon na. Gusto mo yung balunan mo, itong loob. Na.
Yung degree. Uy, ilan na sa ano na? Ay, wait. May yung kaya. Ay, ang gusto ko lugod, pagbabang kimalit ko, kasi hindi ko makalipulog pa na sa iyo. Boy. Hello. Gigibong ko lugod. Gigibong ko lugod na. Ay, ano ba ginagawa? Sa lalo. May sasip po yun. Sa sunod na lang magpalipot na ilalata sa ref ni pagbagyan na ako na matubay ko siya. Dali na. Hindi na. Rabi, nakalisin sa bluetooth lang. Bakit? Alam mo. Anong babakal mo pa yan? Diyan na po agad. Dapat hindi iubos na yan. Mabahang yung maulit ka kami ubos dapat. May ano ka din? May kopya ka? Inom tubig ka. More water. Kaya na si... Kopya mo na. Kopya. Ano yan? Kaya na. Okay, tubig na mami siya. Sa lawas na ito, hospital.
Oh, 16 na pala tayo. Naka 16 minutes.
Pag nag-ano ka doon, ganyan.
May nag-load na. Sa Bluetooth. Kasi yung M4.
Buhay naman nagsaksakan naman. Ay, suko. Paminas. muna sila. Ay, hindi na wala.
Si, uli niya sa si itong nuggets.
Sinagit sila ko sa dami mo. Hindi ko lang kung
Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning.
Ano ma? Galit na ko, ma. Sarado mo yung ano. Makakanta, ma.
Mula. Ma. Ang bulong. Good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Hello. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ano po eh. Halunin kaya. Magalo.
Ayun ang ibigay.
Ay, basahin ko nga pala si Dakilang Vlog, Dakilhang Vloggers. Ayan. Good morning. Ano muna ako?
Remaining 4.
Dahil muna ako.
So, ayun. But,
Yan ko lang. Ako kaya, ano ko kaya? Maray kung, ano oras sa amin niya kaya daw na? Maray ko kung next, ang tanong na siya ang ano dyan. Maray sa ano, ang loob ko na kaya, alas 10 na. Sa ano baga? Alas 10 ang kaupo sa next month.
Paano ko na pag...
Sa ano? Printer? Ang may problema?
Laptop. Ang laptop.
Ang laptop is mo? Hindi ko ta magayon na yan siya. Mabilisan yan. Yun na ngayon na yung kanina. Di ko alam kung ano pa. Paayos ko pa rin. Mabilisan yung ang external ano na yan. Mabilisan.
Papailingan.
Saka ang ano kita yun. Kaya ang kiro kasi itong friend ko. Charger dapat ito sa video.
Gilid ko rin sarap.
Isa yun. Hirot.
Itong sarap. Mga gulay ko na.
Ang ano ba? Ang maluto baga sa ano? Sa ref. Tapos lutoon mo.
Yung. O, hindi mo ni.
Na ano dahil sa ano siya.
Hindi bababa.
Nakakababa na ka na. Carb. Carb po. Sa Indo nakakabakal rosemary na pantanom. Magayon dahil sa ano siya, sa mga wapababa yung mga cholesterol level. Eh, yung tag hair, ano yan? Uy, sa kashi, ang ano, ang rosemary nakakababang cholesterol.
Explain ko namin yung siganda.
Ano siya na yan? Dahil magpensa ano? Ito pa. Kuyo sa loob, susay ka. Ang naman.
Ay, ano, hindi ang maluto pa. Ay, ano mo?
Mami, kulay di kayo mabawal ka mang bakong kulay.
O, di si ano mo, sinabawan. Kagalang kong repondo. Ay, paano?
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Ay, lata.
Dapat sa loob. Sa loob.
Ito pa. Ang aga, makakandukas ka.
Patain doon.
Pam.
Ano yan ba?
Kuya yan. Mitlog. Garo mitlog. Ano ko rin sa mga kapit?
Sino pandesal? Ha? Gusto mo? Ha? Ay, gabi na. Dain na po, daa. Kamalunggay pandesal. Hello, guys. Wow! Good morning, guys. Yan, live po tayo ngayon. So, pwede tayo guys mag-usap-usap kasi it's my off. So, sa mga gusto dyan na makibaka, ay makibaka. Hello, good morning, good morning. Pasok mga suki. Grabing init. Ay, ano ba yan? Grabe si Kuy Kuy, naglalawag si Ampayo sa ref ka. Na iniinita ng maray. Hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning po. Ay, iyo. Kulog sa payayaw.
Ang napupuya, ang oras na pupuya.
Iyo, kung sunod-sunod kita digdi yung nag-aaralat. Ay, Diyos ko po. Nag-arano ka to, garo tong bahag ko ka to. Ay, yung alaunang yan, tapos maray kong, alay kita na aramay. O, alas 4, alas 1, matana ko, tapos alauna maturog, pirang oras lang. Katong inot, yung po sa laay. Tapos si Kuy nagpupungot na katong kaon pa. Yung pagdaroman yung dong, Diyos ko, dahil talaga pwede yung araw kaya. Dapat may susi na lang sinot-not. Inaanat pa talaga si ni Ruby. Hanggang mag-uli. Na, baby tinta, ano. Grabe. Sabi ko, Inday, kung matagal ka iyan. Mahal na ako, sanay na ang uno ko na mamatanin ko yan. Tapos, pagpuyat ka pati, ang utak ko namata na siya, pero ang hawak ko garabo pa, pagkulang pa. Pero ang ano ko, kuya na siya, yung body clock baga. Sinanlag na si ano, aray niya si Puso. Gusto ni Kuy magbalo nuggets da sa recess. Niya ko, kuya, malilit na. Pero kung sira, pwede ka. Mainit din pa ito. Agdi. Ako yung ganang ano ka mo. Kasarado pa sa indang bintana. Mainit talaga yan. Kung ang aircon na indo, ano lang, daig kaya. Kumbaga, may problema siya.
Sino misi? Ini. Bahal.
Mahal.
Mas bahal ang dyan.
Di mo pa.
Mga ano, 4 days. Kasi mabalon si ano, Sinsin. May ano sa eskwela niya? May eskwela siya? Kung ang binabala niya mga drive, may mga ano dapat siya itong mga ano to? Pipino. Para maano. Ayun, maarap mo daw kaya. Nuggets. Tapos ano din. Sa yote, di mo lalaganing kamatis. Na madaling mo pa. Nasa araw ka dito ng kamatis. Ano yun, masira man eh. Nag-inom ka ng asukal. Durog na ba? Arin. Yeah. Kasi ginagag niya nito ko eh. O asa? 7 system. nagtulog, nagbababa ako. Nagkaroon niya ako, malain na sa pagmati ko, saan ko magdoon, sa kantin. Nagkukurod ako doon. Kaya ang din, dakulaan araw kaya sa taas. Nagpapatara, please. Saro no, unig di, pero may sa gilid ang mga tao. Daman sa sarong labat, nabi sa may tuturo ka. Kaya nagkukurod ako doon.
Maligam-gam. Maimbungon pala. O doon kasi ibang opisina o mga maliputo. O doon sa mo.
Asa ang dula?
Iyo, baka ang maabot naman ba itong ano.
Oy, duman sa baba, may printer daw na tindahan mga brothers. Eh. Maapot daw ko naman.
Ano, yung laptop ate ko mo.
Yun talaga nang hinahin ko. Grabe ang bilis. Sa monetize ka pa, langkaw sa monetization. Supporting baga kami. Support baga kada mga kada mga vlogger. Pirang tab, naka-open yan. Big ko, matibayan. Kaya yagaan niya. Yaga ko yung gada.
Laptop.
Ma-enroll na kami independent mo niya na July 1. Enrollment ko independence mo. Mga bagong dito. Yung magpapa-general ko yan, gabos sa sa vehicle access. Mailing ko ang mga mga itong halin na maganda yung din,
Mga vlog.
Pero pinaano mo baga tadaan mo ba? Hindi ko daw kasi na namamati-mati. Pero sa ko siya. Kasi saan siya ba ko ito kung namamati-mati?
Dati, basta. Hindi mo tayo siya. Kukugusin mo siya. Para na siya na.
Kaya yun nga yung guys si Kuy. Kaya ako baga mo sa kaya, ano ko din ka. Baka matuod siya ng kaya baga, kung saan nakaagong na-ining ko siya, nag-down ng niya, emotional down siya. Kaya ko,
Alasin.
kasi nga, naka-apekto nga ni isip kung mga takot-takot na sa atin, na-apekto, nagkaano siya, emotional down.
Ano?
Kaya mo niya ilang naman na magsisigla. Magsilit-silit ang tulak niya siya. Kaya na ano ko katugaro na ano man ako katupa.
Rasin, kaya baga sabi ko sa'yo, pag pero pa yan, nagkakansya yung phone, matukaw. Hindi siya lakaw-lakaw.
Dai nag
Ang si Argus, pero si Argus pa, di pa duman kang scooter.
dai ang ano kaya ni ang ano ta kaya.
Exercise siya.
Bako lang inaano ko bako lang hawak sa din sa isip din ang activity ang nakakatabang.
Kaya,
Pero naman nga nagklase na siya ano kada ko nakakailero siya. Baog sa eskwelahan.
ano yan? Okay. Ano?
Bi, ikutan mo to sa laog, bi. Kasangaw to. Yan. Bako yung sa laog.
Hindi
Dahil
na,
nakaiko.
ano ka ning alusin? Ning tugok. Sin, ano mo?
Ayun na lang, Biyo.
Baka ganito yung gulay. Katawa ta kang pipino.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you.
Yun na yan.
Mga ano kung sipo egg. Pero ang sipo egg dapat. Ang baga may ref man pag ano. Trim kaya.
Parang makatangkang.
Good morning, guys. Mapait ang aking kape. Si ang Rosemary da ang magayon na basa ko. Rosemary. I-order kita. Magayunan pala niyon. Maano din siya sa cholesterol siya, nakapagpababa. Tapos relaxing ka. Bakong may masikas na nagkakapaano sa labok, laboy. Saka yan, kabilang sa mga relaxing ang mga snake plant. Napakarain ko pa yan. Agpapayat sa ang daga ken siksikon makukidit ang daga ken no papalitan ko ngunyan. Payat. Dugo kaya dakol mga ano. Dakol na ko tapon nabakal paso. Mga hindi ko lang ibinabakal kong paso sa ano baga. Kung may barato ang pigtata o may mga dikit lang tipak-tipak ting tao na. Sahong. Ano si Arlene man eh. Si Arlene man. Gusto ko magpatay kikoy-koy ta ang ano madali
Dumaan ka na sa may
magpatay.
tapat ng Bermudez. Dumaan ka magpatahi.
Saan? Gusto mo? Madali. Siya nagpapatay si ano, si Ruby.
Oh, duman mo. Nagpalipad kaya kami duman.
The uniform kaya Argo, siya nagpatay. Wow, ayusin ma'am. Meron muta-muta.
Bawal siya.
May divider ba kaya yan? Ano
Bawal
man
si
yun?
Sinsin magkagataan siya.
May divider yan. Ano tayo mataglago? Tulog na kalaog.
Di na sa sarap, wala.
Naka-assign. Naka-design nga nito dyan.
Ano pa?
Mga ano yun, pag ininit niya, ay din, ano yun, niya maalam ayasan.
Kanya mo yan iiniton. Ano, mas na 25 na. Alay man ka sa atin.
Okay, talunis. Good morning, good morning.
Sige, magbakal ka na. ng
Sabaw po
gulay.
tayo, sabaw. Meron tayong kape. Kape. Ano ba yan, guys? Mga busy-busy ang mga tao ngayon. Mapils ko may anduros.
Ano, may bago.
Dalawa, Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Mga paano pa lang si Mama si ano si
Ay, iyo, aputan muna para ngunyan pwede ka magduman. Pwede ba ka magduman? Magduman sa ano?
Nakawit ako.
Magduman ka sa
Alaman ko din si ano ko. Mm. Wala lang itong sugok. Masarap pala may sugok. Kaysa itong mayang sugok lang. Aram pala ni Kuy Kuy, may lawag ako. Dati kay Wednesday, Thursday. Ingon yan.
Si? Ano ba dumang ka? May ano ka yan?
Yan da?
Letter. Mo daw din. Ay, mga akin sabi.
Ma! Ma! Good morning, guys! Hello! Welcome to my live. Mayong internet, Chi.
Si, itong powder mo, dito mo papalo. Sino mahal mo sinasasigalan mo?
Si Shanti, may laog. Murat. Hanggang ano na yan, September na yan, She. Ay, mahanap pa lang kitang dala ng kiina, She. Diyan makahanap kita.
Doon man baga sa doon niya to.
Ayun nga. Pero sabi na kita. Ay, iyo nga anong kudongan niya. Kasi si mama para madala mo. Daw, doon mo magturog. Doon magturog nga siya. Yung mama lang papatulogan ka. Tapos si papa. Kung magtururog. Natunda kami magkaagaw. Itong may room, pero mabait sa terrace lang. Sa terrace lang itong mga pamilya na. Mahanap daw ko. Si Tabo dapat. Hi, good morning, good morning. Ayan, almusal na po ba ang lahat? Yeah, good morning everyone. It's morning here in the Philippines, 7:41 in the morning. So medyo mainit ngayon, guys. At nakakaranas tayo talaga ng maalinsangan. It's a little bit hot in the Philippines. It's El Nino, guys. It's El Nino here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, everybody. How are you going today? All right. So today, guys, it's my off today. So that's the reason why I'm in front of you. And then we're done, guys. We're done. Um, preparing for my. Oh, what is this? Um, I'm done with with my son's preparing, going to school at nakapag-almusal na ba ang lahat, and I'm done also with food, breakfast, and coffee. So, ayan. So today guys, it's my off. So kaya marami tayong gagawin. Maglalaba, maglilinis-linis, at ayusin ko guys yung aking plants. And of course, mag-edit tayo. We have a lot of editing videos, yung ganon. Kaya, ayun guys. Just stay with me. Samahan niyo ako ngayong araw na to. Oh wow, thank you so much. Okay. So, Amiga 2057. Hello, Ma'am Host. Thank you so much. Ayan. Wag mo na po akong amigo. Amigo. Si Amigo, parang naalala kita, Amigo. It's been long time ago. Ikaw yung ata yung seaman, di ba? So, how are you, Ma'am? Ay, good. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much for coming. It's my day off today. So, I'm done with my son's preparations going to school. At syempre, guys, marami tayong gagawin dito. So, maraming salamat. Yung mga ibang supporters natin previously, yung mga unang-una nating, yun, you are gaining weight. Oo, tumaba nga ako, amigo. Napansin din pala ni Amigo. Oo. Amigo, ikaw yung, di ba, seaman? Ayan, seaman ka seaman ka talaga, di ba? Am I right? Kasi, oo, nag-gain ako ng weight. Kasi, naalala ko, yung trabaho ko ngayon, nakaupo lang kasi ako. Tapos, dati kasi, nung pumasok ka sa live ko, siguro di pa ako 1 year sa work ko. So, dati kasi medyo pet-pet pa tayo. So, this time talaga, nag-gain ako ng weight, or maybe because of mataba naman talaga ako, or maybe because of my outfit, my outfit, yung lakihan ng braso na ito na t-shirt, ito ba? So, yun nga. But you're still, thank you. Yun naman talaga ang importante. No, thank you so much. So, yan. So, yun nga. Pero, honestly talaga, guys, nag-gain ako ng weight. Amigo, can you please confirm, ikaw ba yung seaman? Kasi ikaw yung naalala ko dati na talagang very supportive dati. So, marami kayo, tapos nag-iba-iba ako ng schedule, tapos yun, marami na rin akong mga schedule mga changes sa schedule ko, kaya marami na rin sa inyo, parang naging busy na rin. So, nagkaroon tayo ng disconnection yung mga previous ko na talaga ng mga unang-una nating mga loyal viewers ko talaga previously, guys. Naalala ko yun. Talagang sobrang nanghinayang din ako kasi ang dami nyo na dati nung nag-start ako siguro mga 5 o'clock in the afternoon ako nagla-live dati. Yung ganong time ko dati, guys. Marami kayong mga pumupunta sa aking live. So, mga 10 to 20 guys, ganun kadami yung dati pa yung ko na previously yung ganun. Pero anyways, maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. Yes ma'am, just now it happened again. Oo. Hindi nagla-live kasi ako, amigo, mga gabi na. Mga gabi na. Kasi kagaya ngayon yung aking kasing ngayon, guys. 8 to 5, tapos nakakarating ako gabi na. Pero next week na naman, mag-iiba na naman schedule ko. From 10 to 7 or 8, mga ganon, 10:45 to 7, to 8 in the evening, almost 8 in the evening. Ganun yung ating guys, schedule. So, yung trabaho kasi as call center agent, guys, iba-iba yung work, iba-iba yung schedule ko. Wala akong pasok. I didn't have duty today, amigo. It's my off today. So, marami tayong magagawin. Siyempre, mag-edit-edit muna ako, guys, kasi marami tayong pending ng mga edit. Yo. Ano daw yun? Ano? Ano yan? So, may ano daw? Hello, ayan. Thank you so much, amigo. Kumusta ka na? How's your work? Yung ano dyan sa dagat. Ayan. So, ingat-ingat ka palagi. Napanood ko yung mga dati mong mga vlogs na very interesting naman talaga yung topics ni amigo, guys. It's all about yung mga kaganapan sa barko, yung mga iba-ibang mga mga ginagawa doon katulad ng mga machine na yan. So it's very informative, guys, ang kanyang mga videos. Am I right, amigo? Kasi ikaw lang naman tatanda ko dati, amigo, na seaman sa aking live pagla-live. So, yun go. Okay. So, yun nga. Thank you so much nga pala. Maraming salamat, ayan, sa pagbabalik. Ayan. Sabi ko nga, nakalimutan na ako ng mga nauna ko mga follow or previous, talaga. Amigo, sana all. Ayun, sabi ko, sana kaya yung mga previous ko, marami kayo dati, tapos nawala. Kasi nga, di ba, nag-iba-iba yung schedule ko. Tapos yun. So, 5 o'clock kasi yung natatandaan ko, marami kayong talagang sanay kayo sa 5 o'clock. Pero, nagla-live pa rin ako, amigo. Ay, nagla-live talaga ako lagi. Pero, iba-iba nga talaga. Hindi katulad dati na may isa akong oras. Consistent talaga. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But now, guys, ayan, nagbago na. Iba-iba rin kasi ang aking day off. So, ngayon, malakas ang ating loob kasi wala tayong pasok. Kagabi nag-live ako, guys. As in nga, wala tayong nakuha. Wala tayong namingwit doon. As in, hindi na siya katulad ng dati. But I'm trying my best, guys, to, they have a consistent live streaming para mabalik yung aking mga supporters. Wow. So, ayan, thank you so much talaga, amigo, for coming back. Ayan. Sana ibalik-balik ka kasi nagla-live na tayo. Nag-upload na rin ako. So, this last week, guys, may na-upload akong 3 yatang video. At yun, gusto ko nang mag-upload ng sunod-sunod. At I'm trying my best talaga na magkaroon ng time to finish my editing. Kasi may mga ini-edit ako, guys. Due to my work schedule nga, guys. Kasi may mga changes. Tapos yung anak ko din, nasikaso ko. Ganun. Pero anyway, sabi nga niya, big views on the bedroom challenge. Ha? Bathroom challenge? Talaga? May mga ganun. Yun nga. May mga talaga. May mga ganong mga factors na nakaka-affect. Pero sabi nga nila, keep going, guys. Ilan na ba ang iyong views, subscribers, amigo? Gusto ko mapataas at gusto ko mag-i-work out ang aking guys. Ang aking yun, pagla-live at ang ating pag-upload ng videos. So, yun. Thank you ha. Thank you so much, amigo.
Paano ba yung ganito siya?
Di may laganan siya. Dahil laganan na niya. Alright, maraming salamat, amigo. Sana ay mag-iingat ka lagi at syempre balik-balik ka sa aking live ha. Maraming tayong mga why English? Si amigo ka ba talaga? Bakit English? Hindi, sige. Tagalog. Nagtatranslate ba ang ano ko, salita ko? Maraming salamat ha. Thank you talaga. Ay, yung adobo ni ano, nagluluto. Si ang adobo ni anong niluluto, may ano, sweeter siya. Gusto siya parang syrup kaya daw. Ha? Shower challenge ka host. Ano yun? Itong, yung yung half lang. May nangyari yan kay ano, Kamangyan dati, nag-viral kasi, ano ba yun? Naipost niya yung video na yun na walang damit. Di ko alam kung sadya.
Ha? Na-post niya?
Itong dati kaya siya nagsikat.
Anong gini mo?
Dahil niya man to sinasadya siya.
Ano to?
Di ko alam kung brown out siya ta inin ko. Dahil niya na alam na napindot niya yata na-upload niya. Dahil nag-i-edit pa lang. Ini-edit niya pa lang. Na-upload yata to.
Live?
Naka-live to?
Naka-post yan, Ruth. Ay, naka-ano yan?
Eh, ano mang kanin?
Nakamit yan.
Which incense?
Sabi mo kanila, ano?
Thank you so much. Ayun, maraming salamat. Which incense? Shower. Ano yung shower? Ano? Hindi ko alam yun. Bago ba yun ngayon yung ano? Hindi naman bago ang shower challenge, di ba? Kamangyan. Si Kamangyan, siya yung vlogger sa Facebook, taga Batangas. Panoorin mo yung ano niya. One million followers na pala si Maugma. Ano? TV. Kaya pala
Si Miss Buray, nagpa-ano to, yung
Dungo.
ibang meron mo. Doon ang magulang Miss Buray, doon nagpa-parcel, ang sabi.
Yan. Si Kamangyan nga, amigo, ay siya yung vlogger sa Facebook. Sobrang sikat yan dito sa Pilipinas. At syempre, ayun, bagong kasal sila. Yan. Thank you. Wow, marami tayo ngayon. 3 million views. Maraming salamat. Guys, don't forget to like. Ayan, kumusta na ang buhay-buhay, amigo? So, ayan.
Good morning! Ayan, nawawala tayo ng internet, guys. Mahina ba ang ating internet? Yes, ayan, good morning po. Maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Yan, kumusta naman ang iyong buhay dyan? Amigo, kwento ka naman sa akin. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Nag-harvest na si Kuya Renan ng pechay. Di ba? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Hi, Ruth. The signal keeps dropping in and out, but I think it's my signal. No, yung signal ko ay, I'm sorry. Hi, Terry. Good morning, good morning. No, I think there's nothing wrong with your signal. It's on my end. Yes. Oh, it's okay now. Because it's earlier, it was like we are experiencing poor signals, and I think because it's too windy outside, guys. It's not on your end, Terry. Something wrong with our signal here. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Well, thank you, Terry, for coming back. All right, it's been long na hindi we've not seeing each other in my life. How are you now? So today's night off, guys. That's why I'm in front of you. I'm trying to keep in touch. And I really miss you guys. I miss all those people who are supporting me from the start of my life since last year. I know that we didn't have time to keep in touch because I know that all of you guys are so busy too, and I have some changes with my schedule, so it's like every month or every other 2 weeks I'm having changes with my schedule, so my apology with that. But anyway, I'm just trying my best, guys, to keep in touch with you. Like sometimes I'm doing my live streaming at night, like 8 o'clock, 7:30, and I don't have time to do live streaming like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Because unfortunately, it it didn't suit with my schedule for this week. So might as well I'm gonna do my live streaming next July, like in the morning, same day, same time, 8 o'clock in the morning Philippine time. So that's what I'm going to do next month. July. So I will have I will have my new schedule again for next month. Yes, I'm good. Are you not working today? Yes, it's my off today, Terry. So it's on yes, it's 8:06 in the morning here in the Philippines, and I'm done helping my sons going to school for breakfast. So that's why I'm in front of you guys. Well, I started my doing live streaming since I think 6 o'clock or before 7, but still I'm in front of you. I'm just trying to, just to be to keep in touch with you guys because I don't have time during my work. Yes. So thank you so much. How are you guys? Everybody's are doing fine. And have you done with your meal, breakfast, dinner, or lunch? Okay. Yes. So it's windy. It's a little bit windy outside in the Philippines, and also something like I don't like the weather uh in our country at this time because it's kind of hot and humid. Yeah, it's kind of hot and humid, but still it's kind of windy outside. So weather in the Philippines is unpredictable, guys. They said it's El Nino. We are experiencing El Nino, but sometimes it's raining. Raining is, oh my God, it's humid. That's, this type of weather. This is the weather that I really hate because it's humid. How's the garden project po? Oh my gosh, my project is still not yet finished. I'm changing it now. That's the reason why this is one of my plan today during my off because I'm started, mixing the soil last week and I'm not yet done with the soil because you know what, Terry? I mix it up. Like I mix all the soils because I would just want to have an experiment with the soil and then I'm gonna put it in like in the pot and I wanted to clean everything and start again and I remove all the plants because I mix all the soils. Then I'm gonna put in the pot, and I'm trying my best to save money to have the tiles to put tiles there, just at least to look clean and greeny. Yes, I want to make a design something like a small garden, but it's really refreshing and relaxing. So that's why I'm working on it. And yes, so I hope I'll finish everything with my garden today. But I need a budget for that because I want to buy like some fringe. I don't know what you call this one. The bulb wire. Is it a bulb wire or something like a screen that I can hang up all the small pot? Just put the like I'm trying to find some herbs plants like rosemary, basil. Okay, so I'm gonna hang up there on the screen. So I'm trying to find some screen to hang up all the herbs plants. So that's what I'm thinking. Even at work, guys, I'm always if I'm not busy at work, I'm just searching in the computer some of the plants, ideas for a small garden because I have a very small space, guys, I mean at the back of my room. So that's why I have to find some designs that would that can allocate or can use the small space. There's something like relaxing or refreshing, especially this time, guys. It's really hot. It's not really hot like typically hot from the sunlight, but the weather is so humid. I wanted to stay outside, like in the garden. So it's really important to have plants at home, especially during humid or summer season. It gives us like relaxing, refreshing. So I'm just trying to arrange. I have also a snake plant. Yes, not barbed wire po. That's for keeping cattle in the padlock. I don't know. I don't have an idea when it comes to the fence. That's why uh I have to check in the hardware. What do you call that one? Yes, just wire will do. Okay, just wire. Yes, I'm gonna put some pull on each side maybe I will find some person to do the, what do you call this one, to fix that one. Yes, I have a very small space, as you can see, Cherry. It's really small space, but still, for me, if I'll finish that project, for me it's very relaxing. That's enough for me. Yes. So now, as if that's why I'm not uploading some videos. I'm gonna show you maybe some other time if I'll finish that project. But now it's not really. It's still messy, so I have to find a way, because I have some, the budget. That's really important, guys. The budget, 'cause maybe for some of you guys, it's not really much, but for me, I have some bills to pay. That's why. But I have plants over here, like outside our house, along the corners, guys. I have some plants, but at the back of my room, the one that I'm talking about, that's my plant. Would be just like put some herbs, greeny, in here in our first floor, maybe some of the ornamentals. Yes. So I have an idea, because I got some ideas, designs from Google when I was at work. So and also I want to have like I want to have one color, like all the pot would be white. So I like white color because it's more attractive, guys. If you have one color, specifically when it comes to the pot, because it's really shows, or it's more attractive, guys, because it shows more like clean, green, and refreshing combination of green and white. So if you can see, guys, if you can, I have some pots here like all whites. So that's why I wanted to buy Terry, like the white pots. I just want only one color, guys, pot, all whites. So that's what I'm working. So I want to buy that one. But actually, guys, we have a lot of there's a lot of available in online. If you can see in online, there's a lot of different types of items that people now, that's why people now, they love to order in online, because it's, you can save time, specifically if you're at home, you're a homebody person, you don't need to go outside in the city, just to travel, especially this time it's hot and humid. You can stay at home just by doing shopping in online. So everybody loves online shopping now. So but anyway, guys, if you can see, in you can check in online, everything that you need in there is already in online. So you need to go outside roaming, just trying to find in all the stores, but sometimes you're wasting time, because if you go to one store and it's not complete, so you have to find again in the other store. You have to, so tiring, especially if you have kid. So that's why people loves to do it online. Yeah, when I can, if you visit in online, yes, a lot. Everything that you need, you can get it in online shopping. So yes, that's why. So first thing that I want to do is my garden, because I love, like, after your work or during your off, that you have some place that you can stay, that you can visit. Plants gives you something that, like, anti-stress, like stress reliever, guys. I seen, or I've read those plants that can give us relief, like the rosemary, basil. I forgot some other plants, guys. So yes, so that's why this is one of my projects. Sometimes I feel sad because until now I'm not yet finished with this project. It's still not yet finished. Terry, yes. So I hope so. And first thing that I need to do is I'm gonna put some tiles, outdoor tiles, because it's really looks clean if you have the tiles on the floor and just have some designs on the wall. And if it's summer, you can put some what do you call this one, swing, wow, swing, so you can stay there. And we have Wi-Fi there upstairs, guys, so maybe I can do live streaming upstairs, especially this morning. You can take coffee there. So that's my small dream. So thank you, Terry, for reminding me. But you know what? Still until now, I really want to finish that one because we have some bills that we have to to priority, guys. That's why. Anyway, yes. And in front of us also to arrange. Look at this. Oh, see? Okay, that's I love the green plants. But that one, I'm gonna find some pot that's really messy, guys. Look, so I have to arrange that one. So those white pot, I put it in front in our home. But this one, I just keep it there because I don't like this kind of pot. I want all white spot. It's work in progress, right? Yes, I'm trying. If I have time, I'm still, arranging step by step or little by little, guys. So that one, this is one of my plants that I want to arrange also, guys, because I don't like the pot, but I like this type of plants. And I'm gonna transfer it to, if I'm gonna buy, if I have the white pot, I will transfer this plant. So I put these plants in front of this, or in front of our table here in our kitchen, because I love to see some plants, especially in the morning when you are taking breakfast or coffee. So if you can, I want something like greeny. If I wanted to, look outside. And as you can see, guys, our house is like wall to wall. So that one is a wall from our neighbor. So if you didn't have plants, imagine how really, you know, um, it's not really refreshing and not relaxing. So I have to put some plants over there because if you are taking breakfast or coffee in the morning, at least you can see some plants. So refreshing. That's the reason why I put some plants in front of our table here in the cuisine, in the kitchen, guys. So that's why I love plants. So I have a lot of plants. I have a lot of plants to do, guys, specifically when it comes to gardening. Is it a sign of aging? Oh, I don't know. But for me, as long as you feel relaxed, you feel happy of what you are doing, just go with it, guys. So nothing wrong with that. Especially, I know in Australia, in America, I can see some of the gardens. They have a really nice place. They have an spacious place, and I don't know, maybe that's a rules or the government policy in Australia, in America. I heard that they have a policy in that country that they have a specific space, especially in the residential area, that they have a specific space from the fence, from the road. But here in the Philippines, we don't have that policy from our government. It's up to us. If you have that space, or if you have that private, or if you are the private owner of your residence, how, or you have to occupy it is what I mean is, it's up to you how you can allocate your space. Doesn't matter if it's closed or it's fence to fence. So we don't have this kind of policy. That's why, as you can see in the Philippines, residential area here, they are so close to each other. It's like no space, guys. So like in our home, we are really close to our fence. No space. That's why I really um when I look at some of the other areas, if they have some space, I feel jealous that I hope and I wish that I could have those same space, guys, that I can use for my plants, for my garden. So yeah, but if yes, if I have money, I wanted to buy my own lot. Like you have to use for your garden, for your plants. It's really different, guys. It's really different if you have the plants, you have garden. The feeling is so different, and it's so refreshing and relaxing, guys. Yeah, Terry, am I right? So, guys, still no worries. Terry is still in progress, and I'm still working in it, guys. Cause I wanted to save money, like wanted to buy for my, cause guys, my son, my son had sick last weeks ago, so I spent again money, and I'm saving for that. I hope, and hopefully, it will finish. My room also, I have to fix my room, guys. The tiles, the ceiling, yes. So, yes, that's why. And yes. So this time it's nice the weather outside. Although it's humid inside at home, but still outside, it's a kind of dim. I don't know if it's will gonna rain or not. Because yesterday in the afternoon it was raining, guys. If we have a front yard, there's a boundary line. We can pretty much plant what we like. But outside the boundary line is council responsibility in Australia. Yes, I heard that one. Even in America, I think. That's why it's really nice. If you can, I can see it in Google and also in YouTube bloggers that, yeah, it's really nice because you know what, they have any space. They have any space even if, but here in the Philippines, we don't have that policy or government rules that, or we don't have that rules or law in our country that we have a specific space boundary that you have to. Yeah, I don't know. Yes. So those who have money, you can get an spacious land. You can buy a land or property. If you don't have money, you have to use your small lot or area, and it's up to you how you can use it, how you can occupy it. Doesn't matter. There's no law when it comes to the boundaries. The boundary only that you don't have to is in the road. Even in the road also, people now, they are, some of them, they don't have discipline. Like some of them, especially some squatters, they are, building their homes beside the road or beside the highway. But anyway, that's why. But for me, that's why I don't like to stay in Manila. If you have money, you can buy condo unit in Manila, but still it's a building, not like a farm. That's why I love staying in province. Although I'm in the province, guys, but this is not really like the typical area that you have the spacious spaces. We don't have any space like outside garden like this, so it depends still, guys. Even if you are living in province, but if you don't have a property like a spacious property, still you don't have a garden. So we have, oh yes, I we have in my mom's side, but it's a bit far. I can't go there every day because I'm working, guys. So we prefer to stay here. But my mother's in my mom's side, especially with my grandmom's side or grandfather's side, we have land, like they have a property for for land that you can plant, um like what do you call this one, vegetables, coconuts, but it's a bit far. We don't have car. If you have car, maybe. But so that's why I look. I have a small space, but until now, still I didn't finish it. Cause you know what? It's really hard here to find money. I'm working, guys, but still, it's not enough sometimes. But still, thanks God that we have work. You know, but still, we have to thank, guys, because of we have work. We don't we don't have to we don't we are not allowed to complain because God has given us a lot. Ayo, sige, ingat. My my niece, guys. She just leave now, going to school. So guys, they started schooling this week, this month June. This is the time of opening of school. School year 2026 to 2027. I started June, first a week of June. So that's why in the morning people are so busy. Yeah, busy guys. Mm-hmm. By the way, thank you so much again, Terry, for staying with me this morning. Yes, so uh-huh. Yes, thank you. So how about you? How about you, Terry? How's your garden? It's my pleasure. I haven't seen you for a long time. Thank you. Yes, so this year they said El Nino, and after El Nino they said like expect the some of the storm or what do you call this one? Rainy season. I don't know. Oh yes. So thank you so much. How is Australia now? It's winter time here, so my garden has died of due to frost. I'll plant in springtime. Ah, okay. Oh yes, and I've heard summertime in Australia would be during December. Is that correct? It's like some of the countries during December it's winter, but in Australia it's summer. So that's why it's opposite, guys. Thank you, Terry. Okay, yung this December, January is our summer time. Until February. Okay. I want to visit in Australia. If I have a chance, if I will be given a chance to visit, or if I'll have, I wish I will become a, successful vlogger. Because I'll gonna first I will travel in my country, because I never traveled all over the country in the Philippines. So I have to I have to visit first um in my country, local, domestic flight. So that's would be good after here, so I can visit in Asia, especially in Australia, in Thailand. Okay, so Bali, wow, Indonesia, wow. But since still I'm not, I still I'm still a small YouTuber, so I have to go to all. I'll catch you next time. Thank you so much, Terry. Yes, it's okay, Terry. Thank you so much and take care. So maybe this afternoon or tomorrow, I'm gonna open my live streaming again. Thank you so much, guys, for everyone, especially for those likes. Thank you, thank you. Yes, I'm gonna also finish some of my chores here, like doing my garden, washing clothes. Yes, and I will try to do more vlogs. Guys, Terry, I have uploaded some of the videos. You can visit those videos. Yes, I'm gonna show you some of our places here in the country. Yes. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you. Yes, you can go, Terry. Thank you. So guys, thank you so much. I'll gonna end now this video. Maraming salamat po and God bless everyone.